Okay, so if you got kicked to the video this time, it meant you still got something wrong. So let's look at this question. It says click on a box to choose each statement you want to select. You must select all correct answers. Identify each true statement. So let's look at this first one. It says that 0.0328 is equal to 3.8 times 10 to the second. Well, this part, let's see. Is that written in scientific notation? It is. That's correct. So let's see, does that work? If we put this in scientific notation, put our decimal behind the first number that's not a 0, that means it would be behind the 3, and we'd have to move it 2 times. But is that going to be correct? It should not be. This should mean, think about it, this is a small number. This would have to be a -2. So that is not correct. For number 2, let's go ahead and look. This is written in scientific notation correctly. So let's see. Let's work the opposite way. Let's say if we take this out of scientific notation, 8.55, we have to move it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Is that the number that we ended up with? It's not. So let's try this one. We have 5.13. We need to move it 3 to the positives. Positives, think your number line to the right. So we're going to move 1, 2, 3. Does that come up the same number? It does. So that would be one of the correct answers. Let's see. This says -1, which means I'm going to move it towards the negatives. Think of your number lines to the left. So it would be right here. So that one would work. Let's check this one. 7.76, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my decimals here now. Fill in my empties with zeros. That means I need a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, this has too many, so that one will not work. So let's try this last one. 9.4. It says a +6. I'm going to move positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fill in my empties with zeros. And that means I need a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that one works as well. So those should be our 3 correct answers.